Hello everyone, welcome to my channel English with Evelyn, and this quiz is meant for the basic level learners or level 0 or level 1 learners, the beginners who have just started to learn the language. You can check your progress using this quiz, and the students, the younger students of primary section, even they can check their progress by taking this quiz. The concepts that have been tested in this quiz are easy, verb, the be form of the verb in the form of interrogatives and negatives, some easy prepositions and easy possessives. So welcome to the quiz. To take the quiz, all you have to do is select the correct option. Please feel free to pause the video if you need more time. You will get 10 seconds to guess the right answer. And do not forget to share your scores with me in the comment section. The first sentence is, dash her name Ekta, no, dash dash. Your options are A. What? It isn't. B. Is. She isn't. C. Is. It was not. D. Is. It isn't. And the correct answer is her name Ekta? No, it isn't. The second sentence is your younger brother married? No, dash dash. Your options are A. Brother isn't. B. He isn't. C. He was not. And D. She isn't. And the correct answer is no, he isn't. The third sentence, are you from Patna? No, dash dash. And your options are A. I'm not. B. I amn't. C. I are not. Or D. I not. And the correct answer is no, I'm not. Four. I'm dash home. And the options are A. In. B. On. C. At. Or D. From. And the correct answer is C. At. I am at home. Number 5. I'm dash a class dash 30 other students. Your options are A. In, for. B. At, of. C. In, with. Or D. At, of. And the options are, the correct answer is I'm in a class with 30 other students. Number 6. They are not my dash books. A. Children's. B. Child's. C. Children. D. Children of. And the correct answer is they are not my children's books. Number 7. Taiwan dash in Asia dash in Australia. And your options are A is, it isn't. B is, it's. C is, and D isn't, it's. And the correct answer is Taiwan is in Asia. It isn't in Australia. Sentence 8. Are dash your parents? Yes, dash. The options are A, they, there, are. B, there, they are. C, they are. Or D, they. And the correct answers are C, they are. Are they your parents? Yes, they are. Ninth, how old dash mom and dad? Dash 50 and 48. The options are A, is they. B, are they are. C, are they. Or D, no word, they are. And the correct option is B, are they are. How old are mom and dad? They are 50 and 48. The 10th and last sentence. This is those dash ball. A, kids. B, kid. C, kids. And D, kids. You will note that the pronunciation may be the same, but there is difference between option A, C and D. And out of these confusing answers, you have to choose the correct answer. And the correct answer is D, kids. Do let me know your scores. And thanks for watching. Bye bye.